Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, what are we doing today? Here I have my melon. So we are going to make melon juice today. Healthy melon juice from the scratch. So here I have my melon, my ginger and my lemon also. So now I already going to wash everything very well. So I already wash it. Now I'm just going to cut into two pieces before I will peel it to make it easier. I'm just going to peel it and dice it into little pieces to make it easy for the blender. Guys, you know that you can only make juice without juice machine. You can use your blender. That is what I'm going to teach you guys today, the way to make your fresh juice without juice machine. You can use blender to make it also. So here I'm going to dice it into little pieces so that it can be easy for the machine to be blend. That's what I'm just doing as demonstrate on the video. I'm just dicing it into little pieces before I will put it on the blender. I'm going to peel the other pieces we cut also aside. I'm just going to repeat the same thing which we did for the very first part. So I'm doing the same thing also. It's good to take care of our health because buying juice in the shop every time is too much sugar. So when you do things at home, you know what is inside. You know the quantity of what you are eating, not sugar. So the life is full of diabetes right now. How are we going to control those things? Is what we eat into our body. We know we can't do much, but we can also control some of them. That is why it's good to do your whole remedy food at home. Here I have my ginger. Here I'm just going to peel it before I will dice it into little pieces as well and blend everything together. So everything is ready. Look at it on the rubber. I'm just going to pour it into my blender right now. I think I'm going for twice because it's really much. I'm going to blend it twice. I just put some in the blender. I'm going to put it on now and blend it together. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. It means that you are enjoying the video. Of course you are enjoying it. I'm bringing you healthy juice. You must enjoy it. Here I'm blending it. It's already blend, guys. I'm just going to strain it right now. So those are what I'm going to use to strain it. I have my clean bowl here. I'm going to strain it right away. So this is the secret of making juice at home, which I bring for you today. So I take a stick to turn it to remove all my juice. I don't want to leave any single drop of juice on it. I want to enjoy everything, of course. Keep on washing as demonstrate. You can do the same. So I'm going to blend the single batch right now. I am repeating the same thing also that we did before. You can see how many the juice had. It was really many, guys. The melon was really big and they have a lot of juice in it. I was very happy to have it. So I keep on repeating the same thing. I'm going to squeeze my lemon on it now. So I'm just going to squeeze my lemon on it. I don't blend the lemon. I'm just going to squeeze the juice out of the lemon. That's what I'm just doing. Our juice is ready, guys. Our juice is ready. See how many we have. It was really many from. Look at how easy it is. I told you that I will not leave a drop on it. So see, I able to remove everything. It was very easy, guys. You can do this at home for yourself, for your family. Look at it. It came out very nice. So I'm going to serve now. Look at it. I hope you are sitting down waiting for this juice. Of course, you need to test it with me. I really enjoyed this juice this afternoon. Guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Cheers! I hope you are enjoying it the way I'm enjoying it as well. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.